Well, if you want the present, you have to be able to open it up, Luna.
Ooh, what is it? Whoa, look at this, Grandma.
What is it?
Is that
It's
a
a
necklace?
Oh.
Hey,
Yeah, I bet you have one in there too, Luna.
okay, let's open this first. I want it.
Do you want me to take that necklace out for you, Luna? Nova?
No.
You need to help, Luna? See? There you go. Pull it out. What is it? Pull it out. Pull it out. What is it? It's a diaper. No. Ooh, look at that. Pretty dress. You want to wear this one now? Ooh, see the pretty flowers? Yeah. Did you want to try this one on, Luna?
No, too big.
Too big. Just right.
Luna, no! Those are my toys. Hey, Bobby! No, that's my card. No,
Luna, you got some more